I will tell every one of you, please experience this. This is one of the best, one-of-a-kind experience you will have.
He is a two-time world record holder, a TEDx speaker, author, and he has conducted more than 3,500 sessions. Amrit, the stage is yours.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Amrit, and I welcome you to this amazing, unique experience. And this experience is not about just myself, right? It's incomplete without your participation. And for you to participate, I would request all of you to join in with the most ancient instrument known to mankind called clapping. We are now pretty warmed up and receptive, but this musical experience has just begun. I welcome you to the world of Betamax, where we believe बेचेगा India, तो बढ़ेगा India. Do you agree? Do you agree? The world of sales has changed. It has changed forever. And the way it has changed is never going to go back to the old days. Now, there is a major difference between a salesopreneur, a consultant, and a trusted advisor. The world was here. It was about people who wanted to sell things to people. बस बेचना चाहते थे कैसे भी, बस target achieve हो जाए and things would be great. Now that was good 20-25 years ago. फिर एक नया दौर आया. We wanted more consultants. So people would understand the customers a bit better. थोड़ा customize करके, package करके बेचेंगे, तो थोड़ा smarter sales वाला कहलाएंगे. लेकिन as we move ahead in time and the world is full of consultants, the one who will win the battle will be trusted advisors. So it becomes crucial for us to become really good with discovery. If you can't discover well, you don't know what the other person wants. And if I don't know what you want, how do I give you the best solution? And if I don't give you the best solution, how do I make maximum paisa out of it? All right, everyone together, let's do paisa together. And exactly. If you make a pitch that doesn't solve anything, it is just a waste of time for yourself and the party. The enthusiasm of wanting to do sales, कि भाई कैसे भी करके इसको close कर दूं, overrides the reality of solving a problem. हमारी दिक्कत यह है कि हम pitch को एक activity की तरह consider करते हैं कि अगले calendar उसको बस activity डाल दिया. हमारे team members CRM में सिर्फ status change करते रह जाते हैं. Warm to hot to cold. Alright everyone, warm to hot to cold. बस यही करते रह जाते हैं क्योंकि पता ही नहीं है उसको चाहिए क्या. Celebrating that vibe, I welcome you to the world of Betamax, and let's get back to the jam. A one, a two, a 1, 2, let's clap! For being such amazing participants. It's a kind of energy that we need to have when you are a salespreneur. If you don't have this kind of energy, the future doesn't belong to you. So go grab the future, win, conquer the future with this energy. Remember the Betamax vibe. My name is Amrit Bhatt. I thank each one of you for being such amazing participants. Thank you. Have a beautiful year ahead. Thank you.